Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to be doing factor expressions. So we are going to be writing factor expressions and we are going to be using the GCF method, the greatest common factor. So we are going to be using the GCF to write equivalent expressions by using factors. So now let's move on to our first question. So here we have our first expression. It is 3x plus 12. So in order to rewrite an expression, we have to find the GCF. So we can rewrite it in a way where, like this, and something goes here, something goes here, and we are going to put a plus sign like this. So we are going to be using GCF to find out what goes in these blank places. So what we are going to do is we are going to first find the GCF of 3x and positive 12. So to find the GCF of these two, we need to basically find what is the greatest common factor between these two. So the factors between 3 and 12, the factors of 3 and 12 are, for 3 it is 1 and 3. For 12 it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, and 12. So we are going to see which one is common. So 1, but we always cross it out because 1 is common for each and every number. But we have, so 1, and we have 3 here, so we also have 3 here. So this is going to be our greatest common factor. So the GCF is 3. So now what we are going to do is we are going to put the GCF right here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to put the GCF here, 3. And now since we know that in this kind of expression we always multiply the number with this number and then this number to get this number. So what we are going to do is we are going to find a number with which we can multiply this to get 3x and a number which I can multiply by 3 to get 12. So 3 times what would give us 3x? 3 times x would give us 3x. 12 divided by 3 is going to give us 4. So 3 times 4 is going to give us 12. So this is going to be our expression using the factoring. So if we don't, sometimes people make mistake doing only one side and leaving this one, giving it a 12, or just doing this side 4 and not doing this, giving it a 3x. So if we can check we got it right, because if we multiply both of these, we will get 3x plus 4 times 3 is 12. So we have the right expression here. But if we do 3 times 3x, it is going to give us 9x, which is the wrong way. So we have to make sure that we do it the correct way. So we know that if we substitute the x for any values, it will always equal the same answer. Now we will move on to our second question, which says 4x plus 20. In this one we're going to do the same things, in which we are going to first find which is the greatest common factor, or the GCF, of 4x and 20. So let's do that. So first we're going to write 4 and 20. Circle. So now 1, we have 1, we have 2, we have 2 times 2, and then we have 4. So these are the 3. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, no, 7, no, 8, no, 9, no, 10, and then we will have 20. So these are the common factors of both of these numbers. So now what we have to find is the common factor, and we have to find the greatest common factor. So we have 1, 2, 4. So we do have 3 common factors here, but we have to find the greatest one, right? So the greatest out of 1, 2, and 4 is 4. So the GCF for this one is 4. So now as we did there, we're going to put the 4 out of the bracket, outside the bracket. So let's do that. So we put the bracket, it's in the positive one, we're going to put a plus sign, and we know the GC average is 4, so we're going to put it outside the bracket. Now what do we multiply 4 to get 4x? 4 times x. What do we multiply 4 to get 20? So 20 divided by 4 is going to give us 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. So here we have our another equivalent expression, which is 4x plus 4 times x plus 5. If we multiply them, we can see that we've got the right expression. So that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you get the video whenever our new video comes out.